think I heard mostly yeses, and that is fantastic. And if you did say no, that's okay. I'll send you some love. Okay, today we are going to practice some color matching, and who better to do that with some characters from Cars. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so you will need your helper, which is the grown-up that's with you, to help you get your supplies. We're going to practice 3 colors today, and these are the colors we're going to practice. Red, yellow, blue. That's it. You could have those on a note card, or you could use markers, or if you have like little cubes or anything with those 3 colors will work. So go ahead and have your helper, get your supplies, and meet me back here so we can check our schedule. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule. We only have one job today. We are going to practice matching those characters to the correct cozy cone color they need to go to. And when we get to the star, we'll be all done. So let's go.
Okay, friends, looks like we have our cozy cones ready. We have the red, the yellow, and the blue. Make sure you have your colors laid out. Oh, and that was way too close. Okay, make sure you have your colors laid out in front of you. And let's get started. Our first car to come to the cozy cone. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's Cruz Ramirez. Okay, friends, look at your colors. What color? Oh, good looking. Did you find yellow? Yellow! Cruz is definitely yellow. All right, Cruz, you're going to head on into the yellow cozy cone. Meow. All right, we'll scoot her over in case there's some other friends that need to join her. Okay, next one. Who? Oh, what? Look at that. It's Mac. Okay, Mac. Are you red, yellow, or blue? What color? You found it. He's red. Red. Okay, Mac. Head on in to the red cone. All right, we'll back you in there so you can watch everything happening. Okay, and we'll make space in case someone else comes. Okay, next one. Here we go. Ooh, it's Ramon. Oh, looking pretty good. I like the paint job. Okay, friends, what color? You got it. Blue. Blue. Okay, Ramon, head on into that blue cone. Meow. All right, he's in there. Okay, next car. This isn't a car, this is a bus. It's Miss Fritter. Okay, here we go. Look at your colors, friends. What color is Miss Fritter? Oh, you got it. Yellow. Miss Fritter is yellow. Okay, Miss Fritter, get in there without crashing. Oh, man. Okay, let's see. Whew. Okay, she did it. Thank goodness. Okay, here we go. Next one. Aw, it's Guido. Oh, he's ready for a pit stop. Okay, friends, what color is Guido? Oh, good looking. Did you find blue? Yep, you got it. He's blue. Okay, head on into the blue cone. All right, get in there. Okay, he's hanging out with Ramon. Okay, friends, this is our last color. Whoa, ka-chow. Lightning McQueen, he's so fast. Of course he had to come. Okay, look at your colors. What color is McQueen? You got that so fast. Of course he's red. Red. All right, McQueen, don't speed in there too fast. Don't want to crash into Mac. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule.
Check schedule!
Yes, that was awesome. We got to help McQueen and Cruz and all of his friends get to the correct colored Cozy Cone Motel. You all were amazing. Let's check that off. Ready? Check. Okay. Oh, and look at that. We made it to the star. You know what that means. We are all done. Big heart for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn with Mrs. Huey. Bye.
It's Huey time. Bye.